Mr. Harper said he would never interfere with pro-choice rights in Canada, but through his millions of dollars donation to African maternal and infant health, he has lifted family planning, and abortion rights for women who are, as we speak in Africa, young women being raped. And these two facts, plus a whole bunch of others which I won't mention, have made me quite worried about my granddaughter's future and the future of young women. And so I'd like you to comment on the separation of church and state in Canada and how you're going to let young women and young men who support them protect their rights.
Thank you. I believe passionately in science and evidence and facts. That's a start. We've got a government that went after the long-form census. You'll think at the beginning, I'm not answering your question, but believe me, I'm going to get there. This is a government that every time it's got a choice between facts and evidence and science and pure blind ideology, goes straight to pure blind ideology. And that's the problem. We've got to restore the law-informed census. We've got to restore investment in long-term scientific research. And we've got to let research and scientists tell us where we need to go on environmental issues, on public policy issues, on criminal justice issues. This is how you do it, folks. You do it on the basis of facts and evidence and the best judgment you can find. And this is the most hostile government to evidence-based policy I've ever seen in the history of the country. And I think that's what you do. C'est les faits qui comptent, pas l'idéologie. Sur le droit des femmes, j'étais clair, et je serai toujours clair, sur les droits de femmes de choisir. It seems to be very clear. Canada has had a hard-won consensus on this. Let's not pretend in this room there's not deep and fundamental moral disagreement about these issues. I want you to know what my position, the position of most of my party is. And I say most for a reason. These are issues of conscience. We're talking about abortion. These are issues of conscience. A democratic society that truly respects freedom of belief and freedom of opinion cannot compel in matters of abortion. My position is absolutely clear. I want to defend a woman's right to choose, and I want to make sure that there is... Clear what that means. It means Canadian public funding support for the full gamut of women's reproductive health services overseas and at home. The full gamut. Je vais le dire de façon aussi claire que possible. Moi, je suis pour les droits des femmes de choisir. Ça veut dire, sur la politique du gouvernement du Canada à l'intérieur et à l'extérieur, un soutien indéfectible pour les droits de femmes et les investissements dans toutes les technologies reproductives dont avoir besoin les femmes. Pour que ça soit clair.